on. This is something new that we are trying for the first time on the Selenium Summit. So CPSAT is basically a certification. ATA also, uh, trains and gives workshop for certifications. So CPSAT is a certified professional Selenium automation testing. So ATA conducts workshops and trains professional to get certified. Moving from here, me Deepthi, I am a keen creative testing professional. I will be helping all of us to sail through the event, smoothly. So can we go to the next slide, Sundar? So this is a modified and sculpted the certification according to the industry standards. It's one of the toughest journeys that any testing professional would choose to do. So this kind of needs zeal and perseverance with, of course, the intent of qualifying. So out of many people who took up this certification and attempted to, we have the top 34, the ones who have scored more than 75%. This is not listed in any order, but we are celebrating the top 34 people here. Next slide, please. So I think we have a few of them among us. So big cheer out and applause for all these people who have managed to score brilliantly in this certification. Congratulations, Achin, Akshay, Apurva, Atreya, Avinash, Balaji, Karan, Kavita. Do we have any one of these people with us now? Guys, would you want to step up and talk about your journey? How was it and your experiences? Okay, let's
Yeah,
move to
Yeah,
the
Deep.
next.
I am
Hi.
here, Achin, this
Yeah,
side,
hi. Yes.
and yeah, I did my CP set from ATA, and it was one of the best training that I have ever had in my life, and because with not only with the theory part, they also provide like a deep practical hands-on, and even the exam also test you in the same way on the both theory and practical, which gives you so much confidence. So this is one of the best training and certification that I have ever did.
That's so nice, Achin. We are very glad that you had a very good experience. Would you want to suggest something for the people here to take up the certification and how it will help you further?
Yeah, sure. Like I have already recommended this to many of my friends, and they have also done it. So, and they are also using the knowledge that they have gained in their organization now. So, I would recommend it to everyone here that yes, you should go for it. And with this, you whenever you connect to ATA, it's like a long journey. So after this, I did my CPWST also. So it's a long journey of knowledge whenever you connect to ATA. So you keep on learning, you keep on exploring, and that's how I am today here also at Selenium Summit.
Great, Achin. Thank you so much for being with us and sharing your experience. Do we have anybody else? And congratulations for doing it so well and being one of the, persons in the Hall of Fame. Congratulations. Uh, we have a few more people. Sundar, can we move to the next slide? This is here we have Krishna, Madhusmita, Mansa, Nagavardhan, Neeti, Pavan again, Priyanka, Gupta. Do we have any of you here who would want to share their experience? I think we have Neeti. Neeti, you can unmute yourself.
Hi team, hi everybody. It is great to be with you guys in this latest event. Actually, like I just want to share one key point which I experienced. I was with all functional testing all these years, but I didn't know this was the toughest exam. I just registered it by googling it. But only the first time I attempted the exam, I came to know that it is for experienced people, and I took it as a challenge and won over it in just 2 months. I just want to say that everybody can do it if you could take it as a challenge and work on it. You can actually do wonders in this it is a great experience with CPSAT, actually.
That's
I
very
just
nice.
want to congratulate everybody who has taken efforts for us to join the session. I congratulate and I appreciate the efforts.
Thank you, Neeti. Thank you so much. Yeah, I truly can kind of understand what Neeti says. It is very easy for us to overlook these certifications and workshops, but I'm sure it'll add at some point it'll add some weightage. Can we have the next set of people, Sundar? Yeah, we have Ranjit, Rohan, Samir, Santosh, Sarabjit, Sharmila, Sneha, Shrushti. Do we have anyone here? Anybody here on the Hall of Fame who would want to share their experience?
Hey, hi, this is Neha.
Hi. Hi,
Am I
Sneha.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible and we can be seen.
Okay. I actually am very grateful for, having doing this certificate. Yes, it is one of the toughest. Yes, it needs a lot of preparation, but it boosted my confidence a lot. Selenium just, if you go through the material and just Google it, it doesn't give you confidence whether you can actually solve the problems in your project. But when you actually do this certification, you prepare for it, it really boosts your confidence that, yeah, you can solve any problem with, and code it and finish it off and run it in 15 minutes. So that really helped me.
Cool. Thank you so much. And congratulations again for being in the Wall of Fame. And thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
We have another set of people. This is Sudha, Sukanya, Shweta, Tarun, Vinod, Tejendra, Vibha, Vijay, Vimesh, Yuti. Do we have anyone among you to share your experience and to share your inputs?
Hey, hi, Sukanya here. I would like to
Yes,
share my
yes,
experience.
yes,
So first of all,
please.
thank you so much for hosting such event. It's an amazing platform to get a lot of insights about the testing stuffs. And secondly, talking about my experience on the CPSAT, everybody said, this is truly an amazing certification which actually boosted my confidence. I would say I was a kind of functional tester only. Now after this certification, I've got into an automation testing, and this not only has helped me boost the confidence, but also actually helped me come to a solution in a very quick manner. The time that the exam has, let us only 2 hours span, but then we have so much to cover, so that has helped me practice a lot and cleared all my fundamental concepts. So a big thanks to the team, it was really very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you, Sukanya, for coming in. And yeah, congratulations again for being one of the people who scored high. I think we have
Thank
another
you.
last set of people whom we have to congratulate. Okay, I think we are done. Again, wishing everybody a big, big congratulations, and I'm sure you have, achieved your next milestone.